Welcome to
Well, Blink TV.
No, but yeah, she's pretty cool. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, hold on. Nah, dude, there's some homeless dude over here sleeping. Yeah, with a stuffed animal. You think? All right, man. I'll go try to take it. Hold up. I'll call you right back. Good morning, Snuffle. Snuffle-Poo? Snuffle-Poo! Yo, man. Oh, God. Oh, God. Where you at? I know you like climbing trees. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Where are you? No! No! Why? Why, God? Why, God? No! He's coming looking for you. We should go. Gosh, don't find me up here. Don't find me up here. Where's my Snuffle-Poo? Please don't find me up here. Where? Don't find me up here. Do not find me up here, please. No, 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 no. Please don't find me up here. I can smell Snuffle-Poo. Where is he? Hey! Me? Me? Get back here with my dog, butt licker. No way. He is mine now. You hit Snuffle-Poo, you idiot!